In this video, we'll show you how to connect your PS4 to your TV. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing. Once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's jump into this.
The first thing that you will need to find is this cable right here. This is an AC cord cable that is used to plug in your PS4 into the power outlet in your wall, etc. Then the second cable you will need to find is an HDMI to HDMI cable, which I have right here. All of these cables should come in boxed in with your PlayStation. So first off, after you have gotten both of these cables, you pick up your PS4, which I will do right now. And here in the back, you have all the outlets that you need for this tutorial. First off, let's plug in the AC power cord, which goes right here. And now let's push it in, and we have successfully connected the AC power cord. And after we have connected the AC power port, the next cable that we need to connect is the HDMI cable. The HDMI cable helps the PS4 share its broadcast its display to a monitor or a TV. So after we have connected the AC power cord, we find the place where we need to stick in our HDMI. And that should be right here. This will need a little bit more force. And now after you have connected both of these cables to your PlayStation 4, now you take the AC power cord, this part of it, and stick it into an outlet. And then you take the second part of the HDMI and stick it into the HDMI port of either your monitor or TV. I'll be back after I have connected both of these. Okay, now I have successfully connected everything. I have connected the PS4 into the outlet, and I have connected the HDMI into my monitor. So the next step is to turn on our monitor by pressing the power button. Every monitor should have this. And the next step is case specific for each monitor, but the process should be the same. As you can see, here I can open up a menu at the bottom. Just give me a chance. And here we have the different types of connection that I can use. This is a DVI cable, this is an AVI, and this is an HDMI. I just connected my PS4 using an HDMI, so I select the HDMI connection. And now my PS4 should be connected. Let's turn it on. And while I wait for my PS4 to turn on, if you're using a TV, you should have a source button on your TV. For me, this is the source button, but it has wore down in the years. You press this and a section will show up somewhere from which you can choose whether you want to watch digital television, analog television, or you want to switch some of the output to some of the output cables such as HDMI. You select HDMI and your PlayStation will be set. And here is my PlayStation. It just turned on. Let's start it up. Press the PlayStation button, and now we are inside of the PlayStation. That is it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.